Brad Williams, XL Prime. Who says you can't use match in VLOOKUP? Well, you can. Let me show you. Here we have a lookup. Lookup bonus by sales rep and project. Here's what it looks like. It's not that intimidating. All we're saying is VLOOKUP, H4 bonus, and what happens after our second argument? It's column. We have to find the column. Here's the challenge. How do you find the column? When you're pulling from the header, we have to find the header. Our requirement is find project B. Let's look at this thing. We don't care about the rest of this layout. What we're interested in is dissecting match. Well, match, we have a lookup array. This is match only. So let's look. H5. What's our lookup array? H5. What is it? Well, it says project B right here. H5. That's definition one, done. Check that one off. What is the second requirement? We have to a lookup array. Well, what's the lookup array? Sales rep 330. What's sales rep 330? B4 to E4. Cool. We address the header. Then we have an exact match. Isn't that amazing? We just found the column. All we're doing is finding project B. Instead of finding a row, it's just spitting out the column number. And it's going to be 3. Let's look at column number F9. And it says 3611. It's not 3611. That is that's the outcome. But we need to find here. We're going to look here. We need to grab this. Let's see what it says. F9. Let's look up here. VLOOKUP. And we'll go to column index number. See, column index number. And hit F9, it says 3. If we hit F9 and we go to Mike, project A, it had better be 1. Lookup, table, column index, F9. I'm sorry, it should have been 2 because sales rep is different. In terms of finding the bonus, it's just standard VLOOKUP. H4, what are we looking up? We're looking up Mike, project A. Column number, well, whatever match tells us. We know we're going to look up project A, and if there are multiple mics, the first mic better be 2464. It is an F9, John. See, I've already seen project A. What happens? What if Kathy and project B just don't exist? If we don't put that if error in there, what's going to happen? We're going to get that nasty NA error. We don't want the NA error. We override this because there may be a Kathy in here. There's no project B. There is a project B, but no Kathy. Did not work on project. F9, Mike, project C. Column index is going to do what? It's going to find project C and then the first mic. See, there's multiple mics. Picked up the first one. Over here on your right, you know the drill. Read it. If you don't understand it, need to map this thing out. Go through the anatomy and put the pieces together piece by piece. That is a quick and down and dirty overview of incorporating match with VLOOKUP. Pretty nifty, yeah? A lot of versatility, and look, there's some things I love about Excel, and then there's some I don't. And this is one of those things that's really helpful. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.